Yahweh said to Moses, "Stretch out your hand toward the sky, that there may be hail in all the land of Egypt, on man and on animal, and on every herb of the field, throughout the land of Egypt." Moses stretched out his rod toward the heavens, and Yahweh sent thunder and hail. Lightning flashed down to the earth. Yahweh rained hail on the land of Egypt. So there was very severe hail and lightning mixed with the hail, such as has not been seen in all the land of Egypt since it became a nation. The hail struck throughout all the land of Egypt, all that was in the field, both man and animal, and the hail struck every herb of the field, and broke every tree of the field. Only in the land of Goshen, where the children of Israel were, there was no hail.